Hi everyone, so आज हम आपके सामने करेंगे an almost unboxing of this box that I received from Smytten. This website gives you sample products on very cheap rates so that you can try the products and then buy a fuller version later. So let's open the box. The box was a little damaged, so I've already opened it. So this is what the box looks like. Let's see what all products did we order this time. So I ordered, so there's a selection of products on the website where you can decide what product you want to buy. And so I selected a few which I liked. One was this set wet glaze wax, a sample pack for it. Okay, looks good. And another one was set wet matte wax sample pack. This is also a bigger size, very happy, 60 grams, so good size of samples here. I also ordered a Mama C vitamin C sleeping mask, so this is also a sample. I ordered for my daughter a Slurp Farm Mighty Munch cheese and herbs snack for my daughter. And okay, this is also another separate pack that they've given me. It's a plum alcohol free toner, Man Matters hair strengthening serum, a toner from Plum, nourishing cream from the Skin Story, Plum pore cleansing face wash, post shave balm from the Bombay Shaving Company, and Wow apple cider vinegar shampoo. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and a Lakme face mask. So these are the items. I got everything, all this for 200 rupees. This is such a great an offer and unboxing experience. So you get in 200 rupees you get so much items, and then Smytten also gives you 600 points again, 6 points again for your next shopping, so where you can pick a sample for 1 point and then you just pay the delivery charges, shipping and delivery, that is 199. So in 199 you get a lot of samples here, which is I feel is quite good. And you can see this is for 199, and I would give it a thumbs up. Thank you Smytten for sending this to me. See you in the next video.